Charmika, today I am giving you English worksheet. You have to fill up that worksheet and show me, okay? Let's start. Wait, what is the question? Capital S to small z combination letters in cursive writing. Match capital letter with small letter. Charmika, match capital letter to small letter. What is the next question, Charmika? Fill missing vowels to make words. Okay? Fill that vowels.
A-T hat, C-U cup, B-A-T bat, P-O-T pot.
Okay, what is the third question? Circle all vowel letters. Okay? Yes, circle it. Next, fourth question. Fill the correct article with a or an. Okay? Yes, write down.
A, A-N, A-N, A, A, A-N, A, A, A.
What is the next question? Use he or she. Okay? Yes, start.
Such she.
Dash is a plumber.
H-E,
Dash is an electrician.
H-E,
Dash is a sister.
S-H-E,
Dash is a father.
H-E,
What is the next question? Write this or that. Okay? Yes. Dash is a ball.
T-H-I-S, this.
Dash is a kite.
T-H-A-T, that.
Dash is an apple.
T-H-A-T, that.
Dash is a flower.
T-H-I-S, this.
Charmika, what is the next question? A sound vowel. Okay, write 5 A sound vowels.
M-A-T, mat. T-A-P, tap. R-A-T, rat. C-A-R, car.
लिखो.
B-A-R, bar.
Yes, right. E sound vowel.
E-D-E-G, egg. N-E-T, net. P-E-G, peg. L-E-G, leg. E-T, pet.
Next is I sound vowel. Right.
B-I, and bin.
Hmm.
T-I-N, tin. K-I-T, kit. B-I-T, bit. S-I-T, sit.
Okay, next write O sound vowel.
O-W-L, Around. H O T hot. Huh? O teapot. S O N sun. D O G dog. Okay.
Okay, next is U sound vowel. Okay, right.
B U N bun. S U N sun. R U N run. F U N one. M U G mug. M